At Azul Transports, safety has always been the first priority, and now with Sapience Automata's CoPilot AI, every journey becomes smarter, safer, and more reliable. CoPilot AI is an advanced driver monitoring system designed to protect passengers and support drivers on the road. Using intelligent camera technology, it continuously detects signs of fatigue, distraction, and mobile phone usage, alerting the driver instantly before risks turn into accidents. For a travel service built on trust, Azul Transports has chosen CoPilot AI to ensure every ride is monitored with precision and care. Because when technology and responsibility come together, every mile becomes safer. Sapience Automata, driving intelligence, protecting lives.